Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Happy Science Literacy Week. This week we're going to be focusing on biodiversity, and specifically today I'll be telling you how you can help with biodiversity, your local biodiversity, and even global biodiversity. So you can help with local biodiversity through what we call citizen science. Citizen science is public involvement and participation in scientific research, and there's a number of ways how you can do this. You can do this through volunteering, and it can be even as simple as taking pictures with your phone. And the reason we do this is sometimes scientists have limited resources, so they'll ask for public involvement to help with scientific data collection. So although the term citizen science is relatively new, it's actually been around for a lot of years, with one of the first citizen science projects running in 1800. And this had private citizens writing bird migration information on cards, and it's changed a lot since then. Okay, so we know that citizen science has been around for a while, but why does biodiversity matter? Well, global biodiversity levels are constantly decreasing, so to be able to maintain them, we need to conserve area. And scientists need a lot of information to be able to conserve areas properly. And sometimes they don't have all the resources they need, so they'll ask people like you and I and volunteers to help submit data to their scientific research. So a lot has changed in citizen science since we were writing information on cards and trying to keep data that way. We now have mini computers in our pockets at all times, and this can help us collect scientific data for research projects. So a really fun and easy way to use your phone to help with scientific data is simply through your phone application. So one of my favorites that I like to use is called Seek by iNaturalist. All you have to do is take a picture of the plant or animal that you want to identify, and using computer algorithms will tell you exactly what species it is. And this is really cool because it uploads then to a system so scientists can see biodiversity levels across the world, and you get to learn some pretty cool stuff too. So these apps are super easy to use. What I'm going to do is I want to identify this plant right here. So I'm simply just going to take a picture, and then it will tell me what species it is. So there's more than just one application to suit your interest. So if you're like me and you really like birds, you can download eBird, so you can track all of your bird sightings with different geolocations. Or you can have Bumblebee Watch, which simply tracks the different species of bees that go in and out of your garden. So you don't simply have to get involved by just taking pictures on your phone. You could also take a more hands-on approach. So you could get involved in your local Bioblitzes, which are usually organized by your local naturalist groups. And what that is simply it brings taxonomy experts together and just volunteer citizen scientists to help track all the species that they can find within a certain area, usually within a 24-hour time period. Or the Christmas bird count if you want to do something fun over the holidays. This takes place in the winter, and last year, volunteers spotted over 2,600 species of birds. So me personally, I really love birds. So I'll come to McCullough Island Bird Observatory in Thunder Bay and volunteer however I can. Usually it's help setting up nesting boxes. They're at different areas in Thunder Bay. And what McCullough Island Bird Observatory does is it bans birds. So it collects species information, and all the other information is needed, and then that data will then be uploaded to a huge data sharing network. So when it comes to citizen science, find something that really interests you. Not only will you learn some really cool things, but you can also help with your local biodiversity. So get involved in any way you can. Thanks for watching and have a great week.